Good morning, class 10 students. Today we are again back with our online class. So today we'll discuss English language or English paper 1 assignment. If you remember last time I had given you English 2 or English literature assignment. Hope you have gone through it and started writing the assignments. Take the benefit of staying at home and also working together with your assignments and your lessons. So coming to your English language assignment, for English language or English paper 1, there are 2 assignments to be done, and these 2 assignments are different than what you have done in class 9. So in class 9 you had written 3 compositions on 3 separate kinds, and for class 10 you have the prescribed syllabus, and it says that what you have done in class 9 should not be repeated in class 10. So follow the instruction and carry on with your work. So the 2 assignments that you are going to do for class 10 are oral assignment and oral assignment. This is oral and this is oral. Now oral is what you have prepared and then you are delivering, and oral is what you hear and then respond. This is the difference between oral and oral. So in our oral assignment there are various topics to be chosen, out of which one is to be opted for the assignment. So there are declamations, impromptu speech, interviews, report writing, then you have debate, you have prepared speech. So since at this stage where it's not possible to gather at one place and conduct the assignment of the other topics than prepared speech, because they all need to sit together and do so, whereas this is not possible. So the right topic for you for your assignment would be prepared speech, because you have to prepare your speech and then deliver it. So in this prepared speech, which we have chosen to do our first assignment, oral assignment, you'll get 10 topics, all 10 beautiful topics, interesting topics, out of which you have to select any one and then write your prepared speech. So 10 topics will be provided to you, and it is your mind, your thought, your ideas on which topic that you want to prepare the speech and then write on it. So the choice is yours. So do any one as said. So the word limit of your prepared speech is 300 words, or when you deliver it, when you say it, it should be summed up in 3 minutes. The maximum time duration to deliver your speech is 3 minutes. So it should not cross 3 minutes. It's 3 minutes or less than that. So you have to prepare a speech on any one of the 10 topics in 300 words, or when you write it, it should come in 300 words maximum, and when you deliver it, maximum it is 3 minutes time. So this is your first assignment. So in this prepared speech, how you have to write is this is same as what you do it in the morning assembly in the school, or you hear the others giving the morning assembly speech. Generally it starts with greetings, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever is the suitable time. So generally we start with good morning, and then we introduce ourselves. This is self introduction, who you are, in which class you are, and what is the occasion of your speech that you are delivering, so that we say. And then content is on the topic what matter you have prepared, that is your content. And then conclusion of your prepared speech. and then you close it saying okay, thank you. Generally we say thank you, right? This is what we do in our prepared speech. So this is what you are going to enter in your writing: greetings, self introduction, content, conclusion, and closing. So enter all this and write in different paragraphs as we write composition. So after you have done this prepared speech, which is your oral assignment, we move on to the next assignment, that is oral assignment. And in oral assignment, since oral means hearing, uh, we are given a prescribed syllabus for the assignment, that is comprehension or understanding, as we all know, and its exercises. So this is what is same thing that you do in your question paper. The last question that you have, comprehension, where prose is given, a story is given. On the uh, basis of this prose or story, you are asked some questions with the word meanings. That's what you are going to write here. So it is. So question one, your oral assignment, you'll get the 10 topics, and since it is your head who is going to write and prepare, so uh, mm, take it yourself, decide it yourself on which you are going to write. So this is your part to do. And comprehension and its exercise, I'll supply you the comprehension as well as the exercises, solved exercises to you, so that it will be an understanding or help for you to understand how we write the exercises on the given comprehension. Since this is one part of question in your paper, so this is the assignment now is going to teach you how you are going to solve the exercises. So this will get ready-made. You just need to copy in your file. So uh, I hope you understood the difference between oral and oral, the two assignments. Generally in this oral assignment, what is exactly done is the subject teacher will be reading out prose or a story of about 300 to 350 words. uh, you will be hearing it. The teacher will be explaining without uh, the explanation or the difficult words made into simple meanings. It will be just reading. So after the prose is read by the teacher, then you are asked questions on the um, read uh, comprehension by the teacher. So if you respond, you are on a positive side. If you are not able to, so that means uh, your scoring is low. This is what is to be practiced, but we'll just write it in our file. That's what we are going to do. Since you are getting ready-made, so comprehension and exercises, both solved exercises will be there, so it is not a worry to you. Now come back to the last part, provide your conclusion. So you write a conclusion on one page of what you have done in the assignment, how you have done, and what did you learn during this assignment. So that is what you are going to write. So your conclusion should not be more than a page. Limit your writing. Do not also write less than half of the page. Do not write more than one page. So keep a limit. So that is your conclusion from your own side, to tell how you have done your assignment, and what are the assignments you have done, and what did you learn doing it. So this is what you are going to do. And at last, submit one extra sheet as you normally do in all the files. So here too you submit one extra sheet, one plain sheet in the sense that unwritten sheet, so that the external examiner and the subject teacher will be placing the signature on there after your file being checked. So this is what you are going to do. Now uh, coming back to the arrangement of papers, you all know, you have already got the idea of doing the assignment since last year. So uh, first and foremost, get a good quality file uh, in which the paper quality is thick, so that you can write it without blotting. So use ballpoint pen, either black or blue, or you can do the combination of black and blue. Use pencil and scale to margin on the right hand side on every page of your assignment, um, because this will give you a good look of your assignment. And do not paste anything or don't draw anything in your assignment file. Strictly do not use red and green in your file, and cover your file with brown cover, and cover both the sides, right? And brown cover is the official color of your file. And do not to put any or stick any sticker on top of the cover file. Make it all plain. It should look uniform. Then uh, I hope uh, this is clear for you. So during this off time, you can sit at home and then complete your work, so that when the school gets uh, open, then we can just check your work, and then um, submit your file. This is what you're going to do. So hope I made it clear regarding your English assignment uh, on language or English paper 1. So if there are any doubts, you can further ask me. So hope this is understood. Thank you so much.